Hey guys, Steven here back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to create the timer bar you see in a lot of GaryVee's Instagram videos. He uses it so that you keep engaged with the video and you stay till the end. I thought it's a really cool thing that he does, so I thought I'd make a video on it. If you guys enjoy this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and let's get straight into it. So when it comes to Instagram videos, there's two aspect ratios you want to sort of use. One is 4:5, which is 1080 by 1350, I believe, yes. So basically what it does is it creates a portrait image sort of. So it's like a taller post. And the next one is 1080 by 1920, which is an Instagram video. So it's like IGTV, Instagram story type of thing. So first you want to determine which one you want to use. So in this case, I'm going to use this dimension for IGTV just because Gary Vaynerchuk does that for his. So what he actually does is he makes his video square and he places it on here, and he has like a white background with text and then the bars at the bottom right here. So to actually make any video square, all you want to do is make a new sequence right here. So right here, and then you want to go to sequence settings and you want to go to custom and make sure it's a square. So like 1920 by 1920, 1080 by 1080, doesn't really matter that much. So we're going to take this clip right here and we're going to make it fit these dimensions. And so now we're going to go back into the first sequence and we're going to drag the sequence one onto it. So if we scale it down, it's a square now. And now we want to create the white background, so we can go to color matte. So we're going to press this notepad thing, go to color matte, and we're going to just select white. You can select whatever color, but white typically works for the Instagram videos. And you want to just drag it to make it fit. And then you want to place the video on top. And there you have it. So that's the first part of an Instagram video. So with IGTV, what it actually does is it shows a preview that's 1080 by 1350 at first, and then you have to press full screen and you'll see the full dimensions. So what's important is that the timer bar appears in the preview. So we can tell if it fits in the preview if we go 1080 by 1350, because that's the preview. And you can see that this fits in the preview, so we're good. So we just want to make sure the bar fits somewhere at the bottom here. And if we have text, that it fits. So we're going to go back to 1080 by 1920. So now we're going to get into the actual creation of the timer bar. So you want to use a color matte for this as well. So we want to just create a color matte like before. This time we're going to choose a color that stands out, like red or yellow. I'm going to use red in this case. You want to stretch it. And now basically what you want to do is move it all the way to the bottom until it has like a thin strip. So you can see the red right there. And the rest is just keyframing. So basically what we're going to do is change the position. So we're going to change the left one only because that's, you see what that does? So we're going to move this all the way to the left to the point that it starts. So you can't see it right now. So we're going to press the toggle animation and we're going to set a keyframe right there. And then we're going to go move it to when it ends. So right about there, and we're going to move this keyframe to the end. So basically what it does is throughout the length of the video, it's going to move slightly right. Now what we want to do is actually move it so that it fits in the preview. So we want to move it a little bit up. But the problem with that is if you move it up right here, you can see that it's kind of like fat in a way. So what we can actually do is we can just nest this clip. And now we can move it up and it'll be fine. That's basically how you do it. And if we're going to view it as a preview, like on an Instagram feed, this is how it's going to look like. We can even move it up if we want. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it helped you out. If it did, hit the thumbs up button. My name is Steven, and I'll see you in the next one.